Is the content aware scale tool. So basically, if you're ever got an image, you're trying to make say a Facebook photo, a Facebook cover photo, for instance, um, you've either got two options. You either stretch the image or you crop the image to fit. Obviously, these have their flaws. To either just go straight ahead and stretch that image, it's going to distort it. It's going to make the glass huge, fat. It's just going to distort everything. Have seen that done before. It looks absolutely terrible. So the other option is you scale it up until it fits the size of your desired box. That also has its flaws as it crops, doesn't look right. So this tool is basically, it can extend your background without distorting the subject. So to get this, you basically extend your canvas to the size that you want, whatever that's for. Go up to the edit, content aware scale. That's Command Alt Shift and C is a shortcut on the Mac. Click that. Just grab your edge, and if you hold Alt, it will do both sides, and just scale that right out. This has its limits. Like there's obviously, you can see the sand is starting to distort there, so you can bring this back. If it does start to do that, just hit enter. Wait for that, and then again, you can just keep repeating this until you get your desired effect and size. So again, Command Alt Shift C, just extend that out. And that's you've got your image and it fits the size. You've not cropped it, you've not stretched it and made it distorted. Just try this on another image as well, just to show you what kind of effects you can get. Just unlock that layer. So we hit C on the Mac, and just to get the crop tool up, just extend that out. So again, up to edit, content aware scale, and just pull that out. As you can see, the subject isn't extending, it's literally just the backdrop. If the subject does extend, again just hit enter, let it process, and then go back in. Some cases, this is quite rare, but some cases the subject will just start to inflate straight away. The way around to doing this is take your lasso tool, so hit L on the keyboard, go around your subject. Doesn't have to be precise, a bit closer, but basically just go around your subject. If you go into your channels panel on the right and just hit the mask, that will create a new alpha channel. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that just now. Go back to your layers. If we go up to the content aware scale again, and this time if you want to protect, and you're basically going to say you want to protect your alpha channel, that will basically protect that area around where you've masked. So again, just scale that out, and as you can see, the subject hasn't increased in size or anything like that. So yeah, so basically what you want to do, quick recap on that, is you apply your content aware scale. If the subject does start to distort or get, some people say fatter, you basically just hit enter and then reapply that, and just keep on doing that until you get your desired size. If you do have a subject which is starting to increase in size straight away, you want to use your alpha channel. So just create a mask, use your alpha channel, and protect that once you go into the content aware scale. Just a quick note on where I get my images from for these. So these two images came from pexels.com. It's a loyalty free image website. It's really good. Like, I'm not trying to advertise them or anything, but I think some of the artwork or photos that you get from it is just unbelievable, for basically for free. So thanks for watching, and if you give the video a wee like, a share, even subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.